People's Front for Transitional leader retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye and his co-accused Samuel Walter Mukaaku appeared at High Court Criminal Division in Kampala before Judge Tadewa Asimwe to proceed with their bail application. The accused persons who are facing charges of incitement to violence through their legal team asked court to be granted bail by presenting 3 sureties each.
The grounds under which bail was denied was that the court would not guarantee that the accused persons would not commit the same offense for which they have been charged. That ground was not applicable. It was unfair.
Although their prayers were not objected to by the senior state attorney, Isaiah Wanamama, he raised a preliminary objection to court that the application was longly filed before court.
In other words, we are saying they should have come to this court with a ruling from a chief magistrate showing that they have been denied bail where there is a pending suit, and that would be when this matter would be ripe for this court.
Isaiah Wanamama asked court to dismiss the application citing Article 75, subsection 2, that the applicants ought to have filed this application in a Chief Magistrate Court before coming to High Court. The prayers were objected to by the applicants' legal team. Judge Tadewa Asimwe, after listening to both sides' submissions, granted the prosecution prayers by declining to grant the applicants bail in the ruling read by the Deputy Registrar Kizza Muhumuza.
The rules of procedure in the books of law are intentional to avoid unnecessary applications, stroke matters, and to avoid opening floodgates of unnecessary matters moving in the High Court. Therefore, the applicants should have filed this application before the Chief Magistrate before coming to the High Court. My understanding of Section 75 and 77 is that all options in the Magistrate's Court must be exhausted in non-capital court, in non-capital cases. This application is hereby dismissed. The applicants are free to file a fresh application.
The applicants' legal team were dissatisfied with the court ruling.
We are going to exhaust all the directives out there stipulating them, including to go to the Chief Magistrate to ensure that we get justice from there.
This very court has handled the matter where Dr. Besigye was denied bail, and in the High Court they reversed the decision and said no, 30 million is too much. They could have said no, go to the Chief Magistrate, and only come here after you have gone through that process.
Those who had stood sureties to the applicants include Dr. Kizza Besigye's wife, Engineer Winnie Byanyima, Deputy Road Mayor Doreen Nyanjura, and Mugume Laurent, whereas Lulume Bayiga MP for Boyikwe South, Wokuli Margaret Madada, and Onekani Dennis Omero stood sureties to Samuel Mukaaku. Retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye and Samuel Walter Mukaaku are facing charges of inciting violence, which offences prosecution alleges that were committed around Kikubo Parish in Kampala district. The duo were demonstrating over the hiked prices of commodities in the country. Deborah Namamonde, Nantongo Rebecca, UBC News.